Welcome to the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This SUV is powered by a 5.7-liter V8, bolted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Grand Cherokee, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, gas cap release, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen complete with Bluetooth and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, USB and auxiliary capabilities, and in the center console we have the shifter and your four-wheel drive controls. Taking a look at the exterior of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Bridgestone Alenza tires. Moving right along, we have chrome door handles, Grand Cherokee badging on the bottom of the doors, chrome capped mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, Jeep badge on the top of the hood, projector style headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around. Roof rails are installed. And at the back of the vehicle, we have twin chrome tipped exhaust. Towing package is installed. Chrome 4x4 Limited and Jeep badge all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Jeep Grand Cherokee, back seats here are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split, making it very easy to access your trunk. Privacy liner is installed. Here in the middle, cup holders flip right down. And in the center console, we have the controls for your heated leather seats, as well as a 115-volt outlet and 2 USB outlets. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.